Hi, this is Jen with Caketastic Cakes, and this is a quick look at my little minion chick that I made from the Rise of Gru movie. It's a cake topper, and in this complete video here, I'm going to show you all the steps you need so you can follow along and make it yourself. Now I'm going to start out with some yellow gum paste, and I'm going to shape it into kind of like a kidney bean or jelly bean shape. So it's very ovally, but it's tapered in the center, and that's going to be his shape. And when you do taper it in the center, make sure you taper it kind of down low because he's got a huge head and a very little body. And those little things I'm cutting there and pinching off, those are going to be his little wings. I made 3 little cuts inside, the 2 little teardrop shapes. Stick them on, no problem there. Okay, this is going to be his goggles. I'm just taking some gray gum paste that I rolled out pretty thick, cut out 2 circles, so I've got the outline there. I'm making some indentations, and there you go. Now it's got like the rivets around it. This black piece of gum paste I'm rolling nice and thin, just freehand cutting a long rectangle out of it to make the strap that goes around his goggles. And anything that you see me stick on, if you're not seeing me do it, I typically use a little bit of water on a paintbrush and just brush a very thin coat of water on there, like very thin, and stick it on, and it sticks like magic. It's wonderful. I'm using that same size cutter that I use for the inside of the lens to make the pupil, or the I guess the sclera of his eye, the white part of his eye. I have a ball of brown gum paste that I stuck in there, and I made it really big because, again, he's supposed to be a little baby, so he's got giant eyes, giant irises, giant pupils, big eyes, okay. A little white piece of gum paste for a highlight, and he's already mostly done. Like, he's quick and easy. Now I'm making a little kind of a pyramid shape, I guess you could say, out of orange gum paste. And then I'm going to make a little flat triangle there to go underneath of it. And now my little baby chick minion has a beak with a little upper and bottom jaw. Just make sure that it kind of, the upper jaw overlaps the bottom part of the beak. Now I'm going to finish off with one last little touch, and this is going to be his wispy little hair he's got. So I rolled the gum paste between my hands so it was narrow on each end, as you can see. I cut off some of the chunky part because it was a little bit too much, a little thick. And I'm just kind of styling it gently so he's got a little bit of a comb over effect going. So now it's soft and fluffy. And that's it. That's it. There he is. He's my little baby chick minion cake topper ready to go. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really does help me out. And, you know, I help you, you help me, we help each other. Check out my other videos. I got a whole lot of them out there. And as always, thank you for watching Caketastic Cakes.